And then it's process, then I go, oh, okay, it's a long process. Then, okay, now, I am now the dietary fiber. It's not that dietary fiber. I'm not no more Olivia now. Now I am a dietary fiber. Dietary fiber. Okay. And then I am the dietary fiber, and then I will come into the dietary state, which is trough. Think about it, I have inside fiber. I am here. I'm here now. So the function of the dietary fiber is that it provides bulk. What happens here is that, of course, it passes through the membrane of the digestive tract. The toxin will be carried out to maging sa hiya, then it will go here, and then malagyan natin ang toxin, and then malagyan natin ang toxin. So the dietary fiber is that the toxins that you are taking into your body to the digestive tract will be easily excreted. That's the function of the dietary fiber. That's only one function. What is the function? The second one is that after moving our digestive tract. So if you were a food, okay, it's not your food, what's your food? Of course, to clean. And that's to clean the digestive tract. Are we going to expound further or to extend it? Okay, you're going to be playing again. This is not having nothing. This is the digestive tract again. Another so, let's imagine that again as my fiber. So, again, taking food and then passing the fiber natin. Fiber natin okay, fiber not right now. So, can you imagine me in the highlight? So, of course, there are many toxins here and so, many. So, marami talaga. I can't count you. So, I'm here now. So, after the proof. So, I will be the proof. Imagine that I have this eraser, and you are imagining this one as a proof. Okay? Are you imagining a mess? Imagine that. How would you imagine smiling? And if I'm imagining, that's me. Okay, I'm going to always from that. I'm sorry. And then what happened here is the dietary fiber is wiped out the toxin. That's it. And then the third one is prevent constipation. No. Different topics. Oh my God. The one is fruit, it's vegetables, it's rice, from meat exchange, so there are a lot of fibers there. It must exchange. It exchange is one of the guys talk with mainly processes and business construction that is the top two supports. You have the abdominal discomfort and then constipation. Okay, another one is prevent diverticular diseases. So what is diverticular diseases? It is something that divergently yung mga sakit. So, ito sa pala yung activity na nakaka-diverge or nakakapit sa sakit, dahil fiber, yan ang focus nga. Ito nga yung sakit na head cancer, kung head different diseases, para sa stroke. Okay? So number 5 is to reduce the incidence of colon cancer. Of course, because it treats that digestive tract, so it prevents the colon cancer. I would like to inform you that 4, 5, 6, and 7 are the latest studies of the function of the dietary fiber group. But the group 1 to 3 was the basic function of the dietary fiber. The number 6 is reduce blood cholesterol level. And the last is decrease mucosal absorption. National Cancer Institute National Cancer Institute and Scientific Association for rooting out an average of 20 to 30 grams of fiber daily is recommended for you to have for your